Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to review this very nice L'Oreal shampoo. Okay, this is the Scalp Advanced Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Basically a very good clarifying shampoo, if I say so, because it has sodium hydroxide. When I saw that for the first time, I'm like, isn't it a surfactant? I was shocked. I'm pretty sure it might have been used in a very low, okay, whatever the word is, it's not in my head. Low concentration, yes, it might have been used in low concentration. This is a clarifying shampoo. Okay, the packaging is a very standard L'Oreal shampoo and it retails for $8.95. okay, right now you might not get some big offers on this because they're not. With time I think you might get some offers, so you can avail on that. I love that how the bottle and my eye look are matchy. I really like the color of this. The color of the shampoo is also similar. Let me just look at the fragrance because I've now noticed it. Okay, the fragrance is very standard, like very minty kind of fragrance, so nothing that bothers me much. What was the main purpose of me getting is that my scalp was getting itchy, so was my friend's scalp getting very itchy. So I thought of getting this because in summers with sweat all the dirt and dust will settle on your hair, on your scalp, and it gets really itchy and it gets really dirty over there. Your scalp is not able to breathe, which can cause further problems like hair fall and all. So you do not want that to happen, and hence you should get something like this, like a clarifying shampoo or like an anti-dandruff shampoo. This serves both the purposes. I was actually searching for a clarifying shampoo from a very long time. The Love Earth Beauty one was always sold out everywhere that I checked, so I was like, there was an option between Anomaly and this, and I was like, this has been newly launched, let's get it, let's try and test it out. Because I heard Shreya Jain's review about the Anomaly one and she said it's a bit too strong. Okay, so and I was like, I don't want to try something really strong, so I got this one. It has worked really nicely. I have actually used something of similar thing which targets this problem before. That's the Flossom hair mask. That's the charcoal clarifying mask. Okay, and you have to just rub it in your scalp, like massage it in your scalp, and it gets rid of that. So I'd say that one also worked very nicely on my hair, and this one also works comparatively similar only. What's the difference? Like, why am I mentioning that? Is that it's way cheaper and you get a lot of volume, like a lot of product, and you need very little because it spreads around. This you need to go twice if you have long hair like such as mine, to get rid of everything, and you have to use this once or twice a month only. Please do not go ahead and use more than that. It will cause harm to your hair and you do not want that to happen. I'm not going to say something like this is not there in the market, because it definitely there is. Okay, if you buy the whole range, maybe it will make a huge difference, or it will clarify even more than the shampoo alone is doing. I do not know. I just invested in the shampoo because that's what I felt that I would use personally, and I have been using, and I can see quite a lot of difference. Like the itchiness has kind of reduced a lot, so that's why I really like this product, and it's a thumbs up from my side. Only the price factor is a little troublesome for me because this will get over really fast, whereas the mask lasted for 6 good months for me. So that's what that's my point. If you are feeling itchy and if you have used L'Oreal products in the past, I say definitely go for it. It will work wonderfully for you. And yeah, that's all for my video, guys. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos, and bye bye.